Hi, I'm Nancy Schick, attorney, mediator, and conflict resolution coach in New York City. My goal is to keep you out of court and build your conflict resolution skills. Today is my birthday, and the conflict I want to talk about is trust. And that may not feel like a conflict, but I think, looking at what's going on in the world right now, especially here in the United States, it feels like a conflict for a lot of people. And so I'm hoping that by bringing this up, it would make me feel so wonderful to give you the gift of a little bit of peace right now. So we're going to work through a couple of steps from the 30-year conflict resolution process. And the first thing would be to define the conflict around trust that you're experiencing. And probably in this context, a lot of it is something as simple as, I'm not sure I can trust the police. A lot of people are feeling that right now. Maybe they don't trust the government. Maybe you don't trust your neighbors, people of a certain race or religion. That's what we're dealing with. And so I'm just calling it right out. We have to start talking about this. Second, you want to identify your interests in these kinds of conflicts. What is it that is important to you in it? What feels threatened or at risk? And I think we know that the protests are about actual lives being at risk. And then third, we're going to play with the possibilities of this resolving. This is a visualization exercise, and the reason we do visualization is it's much easier to live into a future when you can see something more positive. And that's another thing that a lot of the protesters and the people that are out there are letting us know. They haven't been able to see a better future. And so we want to start looking at what is possible so that we can reverse engineer that. And that's what I'm offering you today. And also, because I feel like it's just so important right now, I am going to put a link in the notes again to get a free download of my book if you need some help with this. If you want a little more help, there is the online course. And of course, you can always reach out to me. Go to my website, request a consultation, and we can chat to work you through this. In the meantime, keep listening with your third ear for the hurts that you can heal. Thank you.